Hello, it's Darshini again, and this is just an independent video, but it's part of the snow video, and it's obviously about Alaska. And Alaska, I am seeing that it is, I know snow has been very scarce and not as prolific as it has been. There's been a lot of melts going on. But I just want to give you some information that might help with some of the snowpack. You're really hurting, I think, in Alaska. So here I'm only going to give you the extreme snow situations, but it's really a polar vortex, and the polar vortex is coming in on, just looking at my notes, and that is really at the end of January, but it's really about 28th of January you'll see snow, but it won't be all over. It'll literally be part of this polar vortex, but it's coming in from there, but it's going to hit this way. So you're not going to see a huge amount of snow, because it really doesn't develop for some reason, but it's coming in from this area. So it's coming in from here, and you're kind of catching like a tail end of it. So you are seeing snow, and it's only about 2 to maybe 4 feet. But most of the time, I hate to say, Alaska is going to be going through a big melt. It's as if it has changed its profile weather-wise. I'm sorry to say. Let's see, I'm just trying to see. Around about the 16th of February, you'll get another snowstorm. That one, even though it's kind of a light snow, it's not a heavy, thick snow. So that one will come down for about 3 to 4 days, and have about anything from 2.5 feet to 3-4 feet in certain areas. It depends. Higher the elevation, you have more. Okay, so that's all of that in Alaska. I'm sorry I couldn't give you better news, because I know snow is very crucial for you. But again, amend your thinking to what the planet's changing to, I'm afraid. Thanks for joining me.